because I always see these TikToks as well. Oh, what do you like in a girl? What do you notice first when you see a girl? Her teeth. If she has nice teeth, then she's paying. So yeah, it's giving me a nose bridge, a fake nose bridge. Very nice. Hi everyone, today I thought I'd share with you my everyday makeup routine. The reason why I wear makeup during lockdown is because I feel like I lack the dimension in my face, and I miss having my eyelash extensions as well. And so I just don't feel like me. I just feel like I'm sad looking, I've got sallow skin. I just want to bring back like all the light and all the shadows back in my face and put a bit of colour on my face as well, because my face lacks so much colour. Unless I fake tan it every single day, then I've got quite a pale face compared to my body. My body has got natural tan on at the moment, which I'm pretty proud of, I must say. Remember to wear your SPF though. So I just start off with like my face all prepped and ready with SPF underneath, and then I'll go on with like all the other products. I've already stuck on my false eyelashes. These are a pain in the arse to apply. I don't know why, my glue's just been acting up recently. As you can see, my face is really flat looking. I've got quite a wide nose. It's not like stick thin, and it's not very like elevated with like the nose bridge and stuff. Yesterday I was much paler in the face because I'd stopped like fake tanning it for like 3 days. Yesterday I put it back on and it's given me this kind of colour on my face, and if I like apply it like every single day, it just like keeps the colour going. I use the L'Oreal Sublime Bronze Overnight Elixir. I don't know if they do this anymore, because when I went to Boots and Superdrug they didn't have it, but if I buy it on Amazon it's available. Does that mean it's been discontinued? I really hope not, because I really love this product. So I just take a pump. If I was feeling like extra pale like yesterday, then I would use 2 pumps. It goes on like a gel, like that. This is kind of like an updated makeup look. So I'm not shy with it. I bring it under my eye as well, because you don't want that area to look kind of like a ring around like your eye area. Like you don't want it to look pale compared to everywhere else, because we are fake tanning it. And then I bring it across into my brows as well. And then my face goes bright red for a second. I've got a natural tan on at the moment, luckily. Got to make sure that you wash your hands after, because obviously it will stain your hands otherwise, and it gets into your nails. This is when I wish I had my like fake nails and everything, because then it wouldn't look like I'm all like grubby from like fake tan. But yeah, that's just like one of the cons of the products. Next I'll go in with my contour. This is a really cheap one, This is the Miss Cop Stick Contour Ombre Shadow in the shade 02. Just comes out like that. Then I just place it where I contour and under my nose as well. And then I just like to let that sit on my skin for a little bit. And then I take either Lunch Money or Flexitarian by Colourpop. I'll use Lunch Money today. Take that on my highlight brush, because these are kind of like a hybrid type of product. You can use them under powder, you can use them over powder. It doesn't really matter, they're such a versatile product. And I just take it onto my brush. I'll apply it to the areas I'd highlight. Such as forehead, Cupid's bow. I'll take my little finger with some product, and then I'll place it on the tip of my nose and down the center. Okay, so the way I contour my nose is, you've seen it loads of times before, so I just bake it basically. I get the Fit Me Powder in shade 220. Then I get my triangular sponge, grab a load of powder. I place it on top of where I just highlighted. This is how I wear my skin outside as well when we go to the shops, and this is how I do my makeup for uni. So before, in my last makeup look I used the Le Beige by Chanel. So I switch between either this product or this product. It just kind of like depends on what I'm feeling. This one gives you like a more deeper colour instantly, whereas this one you kind of have to build it up gradually through the days, because obviously this is an overnight product, and depending on like how long you leave it on your skin and stuff, it was going to leave some sort of stain. But this one's just instant. This one's cheaper though. I guess it just depends on whether I want to have a tan on my face or not. This step is so important for me because it brings back like the dimension on my nose. It just makes my nose a bit more three-dimensional rather than I don't know, there's not much like light that's on it. So when I put the powder there, it creates some sort of light and brings it forward. I'll let that sit, and I'll let the contour sit as well, and then I'll start doing my brows. For my brows, I'll just be using Anastasia Dip Brow. This makeup is really, really easy and really simple. I just let my skin shine through now. It's just all about light and dimension. And of course, if I was breaking out or something, I'd cover that up or something. I definitely think that makeup can change your face like instantly. Obviously, I'm doing this to enhance my features. When I'm editing my vlogs and things, I feel like I do look like a different person sometimes. The lashes make such a difference. The lashes, they changed my eye completely. Honestly, I feel like a different human being with lashes. And if I could, I'd have my eyelash extensions all day, every day. It's costly, but it's worth it. It's so worth it. Then I'm just gonna be placing powder in my brows. Honestly, this doesn't really differ that much from my other makeup routine. Imagine having your eyelash extensions in lockdown right now. Oh, my eyes would get so irritated because it would be like week 4. Like last year, I would get them done every 2 weeks. This year, I've only had them twice, so I quite like the bushy brow look, but I've started to like incorporate like thinner brows with the bushy brow look. Then I'll just set my brows as always with the colour Lash by Collection. Also, I've been very, very self-conscious about my teeth. I've always been self-conscious about my teeth because I've been editing my videos a lot more. I really noticed my teeth, and I'm really considering getting Invisalign. So yeah, that's my brows done. Yeah, but I have a tooth that overlaps on my top row, and like I can get away with like looking like I've got like nice teeth, like when I'm smiling, but if I go close up you can really tell. So going with the brown shade for the extra like bushy brow look, and it just makes me feel really ugly because I always see these TikToks as well. Oh, what do you like in a girl? What do you notice first when you see a girl? Her teeth. If she has nice teeth, then she's paying. Nice teeth. Teeth. I like teeth. Oh my gosh. So that really gets like on my nerves because I'm like, great, I don't have nice teeth. Not that I should care, but it's the thing that people look out for. People notice your teeth. I notice teeth as well. This whole lockdown, I haven't been using my Chanel Solid Tan de Chanel because I found out that they've discontinued it and they've replaced it with Le Beige. I'm sorry, but this is a cult product and it's beautiful. I have been a big fan of this since the start of my makeup journey. Honestly, this product is like my favourite thing. Luckily, I've got a backup, but it's sat in Bath, and I'm basically almost out of this one, and I just can't bring myself to use it. I can't believe they discontinued it. It's such a good product. All they could have done, right, is just expand the shade range for other people to use. I'm going to use my angled contour brush and just literally pat this out. As you can see, it blends out quite nice and it doesn't need the Chanel, whereas the Bobbi Brown foundation stick, it kind of needs the Chanel in there to kind of melt the product into my cheeks, as the espresso colours are quite dark, whereas this one, once blended out, it looks absolutely fine. Can you see the big difference it's made? So I kind of look like I've got a bit of shape to this side rather than this side. This side looks a bit... But doing my makeup like this now, it just saves so much time. I feel more comfortable this way rather than packing loads of makeup on, because I feel like I'm hiding when I wear loads of makeup. Some people really enjoy it, but I don't anymore. I feel more uncomfortable when I have loads of makeup on. So if my skin did turn for the worst again, yeah, I would have to wear the makeup that I'm used to. I'm gonna be taking this kind of like flat brush, and then taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in the shade Medium Deep, and just tapping that in, and then I'm pinching it from the sides, making it a bit thinner. Then we are going to contour. Just gonna sweep this down on the side of my nose bridge, and again on this side, and then taking a smaller detailed brush I'm gonna define that line a little bit more as well. Honestly, I really am considering the non-surgical rhinoplasty. Then I'll take my radial brush, has nothing on it, and then I'll just pat whatever was left from the bake. So yeah, it's giving me a nose bridge, a fake nose bridge, very nice. Then I'll take the Kiko 208 water eyeshadow. Again, just re-highlight those areas. But I feel like having that highlight underneath, it just really helps to like guide where to contour. And then we can't forget about blush. Blush is such a big part of my routine now. I'm gonna use a really cheap one. This is Essence Silky Touch in the shade Autumn Peach. I rediscovered this in my collection. I was just looking through the old makeup that I didn't bring to uni. Because everything that I have for uni sits in these, and every time like I go home or something, I stick all the drawers in my car, and so I have my whole collection with me at all times. So blush, I'm gonna go like this. Take my bronzer brush, take that Too Faced product, just place it there and there. Last products I will use, like I said before, so I started off with just sun cream on my face and a bit of Carmex. That's what I forgot to mention. And then I'm gonna go in with Whirl by MAC and just line my lips. Kiko Hydra Gloss in shade 19. Okay, that is my everyday face done. That is boom shakalaka, all done. My everyday makeup. That is like my everyday makeup routine. I really do miss having my eyelash extensions. If I could, I'd have them on right now, but I know that I'd end up pulling them out once I got to like past like the 2 to 3 week mark, because they really irritate me, and like my eyelashes grow out really fast, and so like they get twisted and mangled quite easily. Even though I do take care of them, I really hope you enjoyed just seeing what I do. Since my skin is clearer now, I'm able to wear less makeup. When I say less, I mean I don't wear foundation. And I do feel really lucky that I can. You'll see in my skincare routine that last year I did suffer a lot with like spots. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Yes, I'm a massive catfish, but it's okay. You either see me with makeup or you don't.